What's up, everybody? This your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I picked up my very first drone a few days ago, put it together, and I flew it, and I enjoyed it. I really did like it. So I picked up a second one here, right? And it's the sharper image. So I'm gonna unpackage this for you guys and kind of give you my thoughts, and we're gonna fly it and see what it's all about. So get your popcorn ready. Woo! And follow me on this journey. Let's go. Love this drone stuff. All right, guys, so this is Eric again with another video. And as you can see, I got the big old box here for the drone here. This is my other drone, already assembled. All right, and believe me, when it comes out of the box, it don't look like this. Also, the remote, gonna let y'all guys see how the remote look. But we got a fresh box here with another drone. So let me go to unpackage this. All right, so we got all the contents out of the box. And yeah, so this is what you welcome with when you first buy this drone here, right? And yes, so where do you start? And one of the biggest issues I had is with the instructions manual. I mean, come on, this instructions manual is bad. I mean, look, I'm gonna tell you, it's really not a lot here, right? So I had to learn this on my own, actually. So the instruction manual is a no-go. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I want to tell you guys, before we even start assembling this, battery. Listen, I would recommend anybody that buy this drone, while you putting it together, please put your battery on a charger. And the reason why is because once you get this assembled, you're ready to go fly. And the battery that comes with it is sometimes it's not fully charged. And if you don't have a fully charged battery, this battery takes a few hours to charge up. And so you definitely want to get this puppy on the charger as soon as you take it out of the box. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. All right, now this is all in pieces. Let's go ahead and assemble this. Now you have these grills here, all right, to protect the propellers. Okay, so once you put in the protective blades, you have to put screws in them, all right? So at the bottom here, you got two cubby holes, all right? You got a cubby hole here and a cubby hole there, all right? This is where you put your screws in at. All right, so you got your camera assembly here, all right? And again, the 720p, I talked about it at the beginning of the video that you could put a GoPro in here. You can just pop this out and just replace it with a GoPro. All right, so as you can see, the stabilizer, you just slide it on in, all right? And actually the camera, you can kind of put this on before the stabilizer, but I wanted to let y'all guys see that you could put the stabilizer on without the camera, and the camera just basically slides in. All right, so let's go to slide in the camera. All right, so when the camera slides in, it's basically locked. It's real simple to put the battery in. As you can see in the inside, you just have to use color code there, right? Black on black, red on red. All right, let's go to our phone. Let's download the app and let me fire this up and let me show y'all guys how to calibrate this real quick. So in the App Store, you can do this on Android or iOS. I got this on the iPhone 10. Download an app that's called 360 Flight GPS. All right, that's the app you're going to need to coincide with the quadcopter. All right, so let's go on and turn on the copter. All right, you got your on and off switch here. Turn it on. There it is, right? So it's working. All right, so we're going to turn on the controller. And we're gonna go up and down here. There it is. All right, so go up and down pretty much, and it's going to pair it. All right, so let's go to and calibrate it. All right, so what we wanna do is take the control, go up and sideways like this, and you're gonna see it buzz like that. So let's go on and turn it 3 times, 3 to 5 times, they say, right? All right, so all the rotation is done. Let me go on and you have to pair this up on Wi-Fi, all right? So that's one of the things you have to do. And what you want to look for is Wi-Fi 720p, all right? So Wi-Fi 720p, and yes, once it's connected, And let's see, get a check mark, boom. So I am now connected with this phone to the quadcopter. Let's open up the app. All right, and let's go to open up the app. And there it is, right? All right, so now you can see that it's the wall. And let me point it up a little bit. There it is. So now you can see that the quadcopter is communicating with the phone. All right, so this is the app. All right, now the app got some unique features with it. You could click here to get the joystick. Here on the side, you do have some other options here. If you have VR glasses, you click here. If you want to take a picture while you got the copter in the air, you do here. And if you want to do video, it's here. All right, so there it is. And also you do have some other settings right there with joystick mode, take off only with GPS, speed, you can go fast and low. So that's some options there. All right, now, so let me show you guys real quick on how to get this thing started. We done all the work, we did all the calibration and stuff like that. If you don't have the smartphone and you only have just the remote control transmitter and you're ready to go, you're outside, you're ready to fly, to get this thing started, this is how I learned how to do it. Just kind of go down and up. All right, there it is. Can you see? All right, as you can see how I rotated in, down. And for some strange reason, that's how it worked for me. And let's go and do it again. All right, so as you can see, the copter ready to go. And as you can see on the smartphone, it's good to go. And again, you can record, you can take pictures and everything else right here. Let's turn it off. All right, and I can control it from the smartphone also, right? So I got the controls here, and I could take the controls off and I can see everything here in the front as I fly. All right, so there it is. So let's go outside and let me let y'all guys see how this thing works. All right, guys, so as you can see, I got the copter there and I am going to fly it, all right, and kind of get a little close up of here so y'all guys can see that. All right, so I got it on the ground. And I am going to use the remote here, kind of show you guys this. All right, so I got the remote ready to go, and I have the camera ready to go also. So let's go ahead and get it off the ground so y'all guys can see this. And again, all I'm going to do is just press the side and down to get us started. All right, so the blades are starting. All right, so she's good to go. Now, what I can press here is called auto takeoff. I could press auto takeoff, or I could just use the joystick, or I can use the phone. But I'm just going to use the phone just for a viewfinder. So I am going to go ahead on and get her up. All right, as you can see, it's nice and it's up in the air, and this is nice. Having fun with it. All right. The controls is pretty easy. All right, kind of get it close a little bit. All right, so there it is. As y'all can see, I got two of them, having fun, but it's nice and easy, fun to play with. Kind of go high a little bit. All right. Kind of let y'all guys see how high I am. All right. This is fun, man. All right, so I'm gonna record. All right, and I'm recording right now. And I will probably let y'all guys see some of this. Kind of get it a little higher. And they have an auto land button. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and press the auto land button. All right, see, it goes down by itself. All right, so that's the auto land button. All right. All right, so There it is, right? I've been having fun with it so far. That's why I have 2 of them. This enjoying it, believe it or not. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. I got more videos to come with the quadcopter here, but as y'all can see, it flies pretty good. See you guys on the next video. Peace.